Evolution of mobile technologies. Hello, I'm Tim, and I welcome all of you to this amazing episode where we'll be discussing about the evolution of mobile technologies. But before that, let's first understand the term mobile technology. So, what is mobile technology? Mobile technology is the technology used for cellular communication. Simple, isn't it? Now we are ready to proceed further. Mobile technology basically includes from 1G to 5G. Please don't confuse it with TDMA, SDMA, FDMA, GSM and other features which will be further explained at the end of the video. So let's get started. Very first of all, mobile technologies were rooted back in 1979 in Tokyo. But they had a lot of drawbacks and could be only used for the voice only feature with 2.4 to 14.4 kilobytes per second. However, this paved way for 2G with its release in 1990 with up to 64 kilobytes per second speed. This was much more efficient than 1G and could also be used for text messages. This further led way for 3Gs born in 2003 with up to a maximum of 2 megabytes per second. They were used for all the purposes such as browsing, emails, downloading videos, pictures and a lot more. And this is one of the most standard level and is present all over the globe where 4G could not be used. And soon, with the birth of 4G in the year 2009 with a maximum speed of 100 megabytes per second, they had a lot of features introduced along with it such as 4G, 4G LTE and lot more. This is the basic network connectivity level used all around the globe nowadays. Oh, the race isn't over yet. This is also overtaken by 5G which was about to release in the year 2020. Let me tell you a fun fact. Do you know that 5G was already released in South Korea in the year 2019 at April? South Korea aims to fully develop the technology all throughout the country by 2022 and has spent around $26 billion for promoting this technology. About 85 out of 100 countries have already adopted to 5G. 5G is already in the market. It was about to set to release in the year 2020 which was delayed by COVID. Even Airtel is currently trying to develop its 5G with about 1 Gbps speed. Now we already have Airtel Fiber which provides us around 300 MB per second speed. Now we shall proceed to clear all the doubts. Now let me tell you about the technologies used in all these evolutions. The 1Gs use CNETs, AMPS tags for analog cellular systems while 2Gs use CDMA, GSM and other services. The 3Gs used TDD, FDD, CDMA and the other technologies followed by LTE for the 4G technologies. Remember, the FDMA is not for these but is used for the radio services and the other services. Now concluding, hope you have got a brief idea of what mobile communication technologies are. I hope the last 4.30 seconds was so interesting for you. This was a very small effort taken by me